How to add another account on TikTok PC. So here is a quick and easy guide on how to add another account on a TikTok PC or desktop. So let's get started. So basically TikTok desktop app version does not let you actively switch between multiple accounts like the mobile app, but you can still add and use multiple accounts in these ways. So go to the preferred web browser, then in search address bar type down the TikTok and navigate to its official website. So here as you can see I am signed in to my account. Now all I have to do is tap on the more option available at the bottom left hand side panel. Then once you tap on the more you'll get to see log out option available there and log out of this account. So now once you are logged out of this account, simply choose your new login method. Tap on the login option available there. And once you tap on the login, you can simply choose email, phone number, Google, Facebook, or QR option according to your preferences and log in to your second account. You can repeat this process anytime to switch between accounts. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.